Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Have you ever felt overwhelmed, lost, anxious, or disconnected from Allah? Have you ever wished for a moment when the world becomes silent and your heart can speak directly to its creator? That moment exists. It's called Tahajjud, the prayer of the night. Today we'll discover why Tahajjud is one of the most powerful acts of worship and why your soul desperately needs it. What is Tahajjud? Tahajjud is a voluntary prayer offered during the last part of the night after sleeping. While most people are asleep, believers wake up to stand before Allah. No audience, no applause, no worldly reward. Just you and your Lord. Allah praises those who leave their beds at night to remember Him and seek His mercy. Tahajjud isn't merely a prayer, it's a private meeting with Allah. Why your soul needs Tahajjud? Our soul becomes tired. We carry stress, disappointments, fears, regrets, and unanswered questions. Sometimes we smile in front of people while silently breaking inside. Tahajjud is medicine for the heart. When you raise your hands in the darkness of the night, you realize that Allah hears every whisper. You don't need perfect words. You don't need a prepared speech. You only need sincerity. The tears shed during Tahajjud often heal wounds that no one else can see. Many believers throughout history found strength, peace, and guidance through this blessed prayer. When the world feels heavy, Tahajjud makes the burden lighter. One of the greatest blessings of Tahajjud is that it takes place during a special time. The Prophet Muhammad ﷺ taught that during the last third of the night, Allah calls out, "Who is asking me so that I may give him? Who is seeking my forgiveness so that I may forgive him?" Imagine that invitation. The King of all kings is inviting you to ask your dreams, your struggles, your family needs, your forgiveness, your future. Nothing is too big or too small for Allah. Tahajjud teaches discipline. It strengthens our relationship with Allah. It increases our gratitude. It fills the heart with hope. People often search for peace in wealth, status, and entertainment. Yet, true peace comes from closeness to Allah. Many people testify that after making Tahajjud a habit, they found clarity in confusion, ease in hardship, and blessings they never expected. Not because Tahajjud is magic, but because it brings you closer to the one who controls all affairs. So if you have never prayed Tahajjud before, start small. Wake up just 15 minutes before Fajr. Pray 2 simple rakats. Speak to Allah from your heart. Ask Him for guidance, forgiveness, peace, and success. Your soul doesn't need another distraction. Your soul needs Tahajjud. And perhaps the answer you have been waiting for is hidden in a prayer made while the world sleeps.